Winter is officially here, and if you don't have a big extendable snow brush, then you are missing out. This is me doing a demonstration on my boyfriend's police car before he goes into work. We've been getting tons of snow here in Indiana. So if you don't have this, you need to grab it, especially if you are a short girly like me. This has an extendable feature, so it makes it even longer. I do not have long arms. I only 5'2", and it is so hard to reach the center of the windshield or even the center of my hood to wipe off all of the snow. This is amazing and seriously so sturdy, great quality. It is a heavy duty snow brush. I am impressed. It also has a little squeegee side for the windows as well. I will drop the link below. Great price point, great quality. You need one. The snow is just starting, guys. Grab it up quick.